This United Real Estate Infinity Property video is presented by Glynis Deckel. Wonderful home in the much sought after Alva area right off SR 80. This 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 2-car garage home sits on 1.25 acres, offers over 2,000 square feet under air and underwent extensive renovations approximately 6 years ago. The home offers tile flooring throughout with 5 1/4 baseboards. The kitchen has hardwood cabinets with crown molding, granite counters and stainless appliances. AC system was replaced during remodel and roof was replaced in 2014. The bathrooms offer tile walls in the wet areas and granite counters. A new 24 by 30 steel building was just erected. The pasture area and the steel building are fenced. The open-air lanai/front porch has a new metal roof and plenty of room for entertaining. Small fish pond with goldfish and fountain. Plenty of room for a pool. Ready for a new family to love it. For more information,